the effects of eating junk food every single day. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic we all know a little too well: junk food. Specifically, what happens to your body when you eat it every single day? We all know junk food tastes good, but what's the real cost? Let's break it down, starting with the immediate effects. First off, you'll likely experience an energy spike followed by a crash. Junk food is often loaded with refined sugars and simple carbs. These give you a quick burst of energy, but your body burns through them fast, leaving you feeling sluggish and tired. Next, your digestive system takes a hit. High amounts of unhealthy fats and processed ingredients can lead to bloating, gas, and even heartburn. And because junk food is often low in fiber, you might find yourself dealing with uncomfortable constipation. Now let's talk about the long-term effects. This is where things get really serious. Eating junk food daily can significantly increase your risk of heart disease. Those unhealthy fats contribute to plaque buildup in your arteries, raising your cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Constant consumption of sugary junk food can also lead to insulin resistance, which can progress to type 2 diabetes over time. Your body struggles to regulate blood sugar levels, leading to a whole host of serious health problems. Weight gain is another major consequence. Junk food is typically high in calories but low in nutrients, meaning you're consuming a lot of energy without feeling full. This can easily lead to excess weight and obesity, and it's not just your physical health that suffers. Studies have shown that a diet high in junk food can negatively impact your mental health, leading to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. Your skin can also take a beating. Processed foods and sugary drinks can trigger inflammation, leading to acne and other skin problems. Over time, a diet heavy in junk food can accelerate aging. You're depriving your body of the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to repair and regenerate cells. Now, I'm not saying you can never enjoy a burger or a slice of pizza, but moderation is key. Eating junk food every day is a recipe for disaster. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Your body will thank you for it. In this final segment, let's talk about how you can start transitioning to a healthier diet and lifestyle. Begin by gradually reducing your junk food intake, one step at a time. Swap out sugary drinks for water or herbal tea, which are much healthier. Incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your meals every day. Try cooking at home more often, so you have control over the ingredients you use. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in your health over time. Stay committed, and you'll see the benefits in your overall well-being. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health-related content. And let me know in the comments, what are your favorite healthy alternatives to junk food? Thanks for watching.